Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about how to find out the commission earned by the salesman according to their customer rating. So we have a salesman here. In this side we have written the name of the salesman, their sales, their target and their customer rating. And according to customer rating, these salesmen will get their commission, and that will be according to their target. So if they achieve their target, so according to target, certain percentage of commission is divided among the salesmen. So how we can do that? Like here is our list where we have given the A for 10, B for 7, and here is the rating which is given by the customers to the salesman. To find out what we will do in the table, we put equal to here and write VLOOKUP. After writing VLOOKUP, we press on this customer rating, which is A. For Rahul it's A, and then we will press comma and select this list from this side, where we will select the complete table here, and which is a table array. We selected the complete array and then press comma, and we have to find in this table the second column. We have to find the commission which is written in the second. So we will type here 2, and for exact match we will type 0 and press and close the bracket and press enter. So here we are finding the commission, but we have to find it in value, and if no commission, if it's less than the target, then no commission should be given. For that, what we will do, we go to here in front of this equal to and type if bracket open and select this cell sales is greater than target, then only this commission should be given, and then we will multiply it with target. So this will be the commission which we will get, or else there should be no commission. And we just inverted comma and close the bracket. Now we want to carry this formula to throughout the list. For that, what we will do, we go to this range from ST to I5, we select this and press F4. Now it is locked, and then we will click on this right click. Here we will get no commission because our target is more and sales is less. Then we will just drag it, so we will get 2 commissions here only, because 2 people are able to meet the sales and they will get a good commission. So this is the way we can find the commissions and use V and if function together. So if you are using through 2019, you can use the switch function there, but if you are using an old version where your switch function is not available, you can use if and VLOOKUP. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, press the bell notification or subscribe us for more videos.